guys, it's your girl TJ. Okay, to hasten the process, I'm going to finally relax my hair. People usually say I'm going to relax my hair after keeping it for 4 years, for 5 years, 6 years, 8 years. My dear, mine is just for like a year. Yeah, because I know I started keeping this hair last year, and yeah, it's a year because we're in August. So I started keeping this hair last year June, and that was 2021, and we're in 2022 August. So I've tried now. I've tried. You know what it means to keep a virgin hair? I've tried, yo. Okay. It's been a while I made a video. Okay. So the time is 9:06. Yeah, 6 minutes past 9 p.m. I knew I'll be too excited. My excitement can be crazy. I knew I'll be so excited by the next morning because I'm going to relax my hair tomorrow morning. So I thought it wise to make this video, this informative video, the night before, the day before. I'm excited to relax my hair, I won't even lie. Okay, so I have these two friends here in school. We're 3 and we all have natural hair. They've been keeping theirs longer than I have been, and I'm the first. I just came into the new clique and I'm the one betraying them first. So Nello and Ada, I love you guys, but I have to relax my hair. I have gone through a lot. I am emotionally downcast. I cannot continue again. The thing is, I shall know I'm going to relax my hair tomorrow, and the lady relaxing the hair is my mom's person. You know, when your mom wants you to go to someone who does her hair, who takes care of her hair. I really don't know her, although I've gone there one time. Yeah, I think when I was making my first hair vlog. So I've not even told her, but I shall know in my head that I'm going to relax my hair tomorrow, and it go be. Okay, so these are the products. I couldn't even get the one in the, should I say, in the cup. Yeah, because I checked and checked. I even went there with my mom, but I couldn't get it, so I had to get the sachet. I'm using olive oil. I actually got 2 packs because, yeah, virgin hair can be crazy and you can consume a lot, so I had to get 2 packs. So I'm using olive oil, ultra nourishing kidney coffee. The shampoo is still olive oil, creamy aloe shampoo, and then the conditioner, replenishing conditioner. In school, I actually have like 2 different products. I have VO5, I have is it VO5 they call it, but VO5, and then I have, I've forgotten the name, but this green one that is very, very minty. Yeah, it helps for dandruff, anti-dandruff. Yeah. So now this is a newbie. It's going to join them. Yes, I got the olive oil shampoo and conditioner for my hair, and then I got the hair mayonnaise. This is actually very, very great because I've been using it since I was a child. My mom always gets it for us and it helps a lot. That's all. See you guys tomorrow. It's almost 10 and I've not slept. Not like I'm going to sleep immediately, but I ought to sleep. So
of mine, what do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine, love, I wanna be strong.
okay, so I finally got my hair relaxed, and yeah, I feel so good. I feel okay, but the only challenge I had was the fact that my scalp wasn't so healed, but I still went ahead to relax my hair.